So in order to uninstall a Google Chrome extension from your web browser, it's very simple. All you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots. Then you want to go and hover over more tools, and then you want to go ahead and click on extensions. Once you're here, it's going to give you a list of all the extensions you've currently got installed to your web browser. So if you want to remove them, all you need to do is click the remove button. If you do want to disable or enable them, all you need to do is click on this button here, and it's going to do the following. So if you're looking to install a new extension, all you need to do is navigate to the bookmarks bar, and you can do this by opening a new tab in case you don't already have it. Then you want to click on the apps icon. Now if this isn't showing, all you need to do is right click on the taskbar and click on show app shortcut. So we're going to go ahead and click on the apps, and then you want to go ahead and click on web store. Now from here you just want to make sure that extensions is selected, and then you can go ahead and search for an extension that you want to install. So for example, if I want to install Honey, all you need to do is click add to Chrome, and it will immediately install to Chrome after you click add extension. It usually only takes a couple of seconds to do, so just let it load. So if you want to see more Google Chrome tips and tricks, I'll leave a link below to a playlist where you can view them all there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.